mates, this is another video series of, no, this is not another series, this is another episode actually. And for Food and Travel Valley, we're going to introduce you to another street food available here in Dhaka. And this is going to be
ব্লাশ আমি বলে দেব দাদা
This is our Kheta Puri. They call it Kheta Puri. So it's kind of like made with flour and potatoes and fried in the oil. You have seen it already. So and this is tamarind chutney. They call it tamarind chutney. So tamarind chutney. This is kind of like sour thing, sour juice thing. So this is so hot actually. Oh, I like. So hot, man. So, yeah, I can see the potatoes inside. Inside there are some potatoes. They're fried and boiled inside. And this is with the tamarind, and I will have some chicken later on. You can see.
how's it taste দাদা
Yeah, this is so tasty, man. And you know what? Whenever you first taste this, after that, whenever you see this, your tongues are going to be liquid. The tongues will produce some juice inside that, and you will have you want to eat this whenever you see. So this is really cool. And let's not do the talking and do the eating first. Right, so you see this chicken shashlik, very spicy looking. Let's grab some. Alright. Oh, this is very soft. With this tamarind chutney. Yeah, this is heavenly, man. This is heavenly. You're gonna remember this until your last breath. Your very last breath. You're gonna remember this. You will try this once. Yeah? You really try this once because the chickens are soft and a bit of crunchy. And with this sour sauce type thing, this tamarind sauce, oh, this is heaven. Thanks to this guy. What was this guy's name? Shohidul. This guy's name is Shohidul. This guy is doing this food shop here around 6 years. He's doing this for 6 years. Yeah, he's a pro. Really, he's a pro, man. He's a pro cook for this food. Alright? So, let's see you on the other side. Bye-bye.